In today's video, I want us to look at Coin. I think Coin is about to explode. This bad boy has been making higher highs and higher lows on the 4 hours time frame that I want us to take a look at today. And I think this coin is going to make us some massive gains in the days to come or the weeks to come. I'm going to show you guys on the chat soon. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is the Betong Crypto, where we learn crypto step by step with clarity and confidence. If you want to take your trading to the next level, then make sure you are part of this amazing community. Let's dive straight away to what I got for you guys today. Gonna be a quick video, not a long video. I want us to look at key areas where we can take the swing trade or just buy and hold spot. This is one of the top meme coin in the space, and I think you guys can make some quick gains from it. Now, the daily time frame shows that it is bullish. It's up today about 8% already. Right. And if you look at this arrow, this bullish bias arrow is pointing to the upside on the daily time frame, which means that Coin is bullish. Now, what I wanted you guys to see is this. You know, look at this structure. This bad boy has been making higher high. Look at this. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So we should go and make the next swing high. And we should target at least this 200-day moving average that we are looking at currently. Yeah, you know this red moving average, and this is going to take us to about 0.028 or 0.029. In general, I want to target where this alpha trend printed this sell signal. So that's usually what I do if I'm trading or any coin. I want to look at where the move started. So in this case, this candle initiated this downtrend for Breadcoin. So I'm going to take it to the future. We can see price got here the first time, but price didn't really feel all the candle that caused this move. So I think this move now is going to take us back up there, at least towards this higher, and that's the area where I can look to take out some profits. Then reassess the market to see how price is going to react to that. But again, you can look at the daily time frame to give you a proper target based on previous price action. So looking at this structure now, I would say that if this is going to be the next move or this is going to be the bottom of this downward trend, then we can as well target the 50-day EMA on the daily time frame, which is going to take us towards this 0.031, or we can just target this area where the alpha trend is moving sideways and it's going to be around the 0.0237. But in any case, I think this zone should be your first take profit zone, your first TP zone. It makes sense. Why? Because this zone was acting as support when price was above it. You see, we had multiple rejection here in the past, so it should act as resistance as price is below it. Now, this is a quick trade that you can take. The next target you can look at to cash out profit is this area where the alpha trend printed this sell signal here, this candle here on the daily time frame. You can mark this on your chart, or you can take a screenshot. That is going to be around the 0.04244 price point, this area here. So this one should be your first TP zone. If you see price flip above and close above this zone here, then this area is going to become support, and then this should be the next resistance, the next major resistance, before we can expect price to continue going to the upside for Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the entry. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame to see whether we can get the best entry here. Since we have been doing the analysis on the 4 hours time frame, I think we should look at the 1 hour time frame first to see, okay, what is price doing on this time frame. This candle here is printing a buy signal currently on the alpha trend, which means that we should experience some sort of retracement soon. Now, the best entry I always get when I'm trading something like this is when I look at where the alpha trend printed a buy signal. So in this case, I would have been in the trade long time ago after this buy signal was created. Okay, now I missed this move. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, By the way, I'm not in the trade yet. I just saw this and I said, let me do a video. I'm gonna get into the trade. Let me show you guys when I'm gonna get into the trade. Now I'm going to bring in the volume profile. Yeah. I'm gonna mark it from this bottom. I'm gonna assume that this should be the top. If not, then I'm gonna keep marking until I get the top of that move. Or I'm gonna do it this way. Since this move downward on the 15 minutes time frame was initiated from this top here, I'm gonna take the volume profile, take it up there, right down there to this downward section. So I'm gonna be looking at the POC here to get my entry. This is a zone I want to get my entry. So I'm gonna be buying this coin here at this area here. So this is the area where I want to get my entry. For now, I'm gonna wait to see how price is gonna react. And if price go to the value area high, which I think is the target for now, before we see retracement back to this area here, then I'm gonna be looking at my entry at this point in time, at this zone. So I say, let me do this quick video for you guys to see the different areas where you can enter and then cash out your profit for Bread Coin. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. And if you are looking to join a community where you can be part of something great, then make sure you join my free trading session. The link is found below this video. There, I'm trying to help people to understand trading, investing long term. This is going to be a 3 month session. So if you want to be part of the family, join the Telegram group. The link is found below this video. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.